How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a deep voice, step-by-step, instant gain. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how to get a deep voice? Deep voice all comes down to deep breathing. If you don't believe me, I've been meditating for over 7 years. If you watch my previous videos, you guys, like 8, 9, 10 years ago, my voice was way high-pitched. It's much, much deeper now. If you don't believe me, I meditate. I'm part of meditation forums on the internet, and every week or so we'll get like new people and older people say, hey, anyone else notice their voice has gotten deeper from meditating? It happens all the time. Like, you literally see posts like this all the time. So all you need to do is just do 5 deep breaths. So 5 deep breaths. 5 deep breaths. Take a 1-minute break. Do another 5 deep breaths. Do a total of 5 sets in total. Do this every single day, you guys. Once you start doing 5 deep breaths, you can then do 6, 7, 8. You can increase the reps, but start slow, because if you do any more than about 5, you're gonna get lightheaded because you're not used to deep breathing, you guys. And yeah, you do this, you will get a deeper voice. I guarantee you 100%. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.